Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So in the last video, we had a little introduction on React.js. In today's video, we will run our first program, Hello World, using React.js, but not via the Node.js packages. So we'll be doing it via HTML, using HTML and JavaScripts. Let's see how to run our first program. So yeah, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive into this. So first thing what we need to do is open VS Code and you can create one file, HTML file. I'll give the name as ReactJS underscore hello world. Extension would be HTML. So this is done and then create the usual tags that is required to run the HTML document. So the first one is the HTML header. So the HTML tag is given, then we require the head and body. So head is given, then we need to create the body tag as well. Body, body tag is also ready. Now what we need is the code from our previous video. So if you remember, I had shown you this sample hello world code. So this is all written for Node.js Create app that we will learn about in the next video. So we'll copy this as it is, the whole code, and we will paste this between scripts. So let's create script and paste it over here. So this is created. We don't require import, so don't worry about that. So I'll remove this import. And this import part we need to add it over here in head as a script CDN. So we will get the CDN for React, React DOM, and Babel. So for that you need to go to Chrome. So bring up Chrome browser here, search for React Development CDN. Open the first link that appears here. You'll see two scripts. One is React Development and React DOM, which we saw earlier. So we'll copy this as it is and put it between this head, and that's done. We also require Babel, Babel package as well. So that is for creating JSX file, which the React app will create internally. So we will just search for Babel CDN links. So click the first link that appears, and here you can copy the script and paste it just below the other script which we copied earlier. So that is done. Now you may wonder where is this root. So that root needs to be created over here. So let's create a root div. So we'll give the ID as root because that's the ID it is looking for. So div is also done. So let's see if this works. We don't have to compile or something like that. Just need to copy this path and go to our browser and paste this. But if you see nothing happens, so that is because we need to do one small change. We need to give the type over here. So the type under the script. So script will have a type called text slash Babel. So that's all. If you want, you can just format this by pressing. So you need to press Shift Alt F to format this. So once formatted, you just need to refresh this page and you can see Hello World coming up. It's that simple. And that's how you can run your Hello World program in HTML. But this is not suggested for the production. For production, you are supposed to use a React environment by using Node and npm. So you need to install Node.js for that, which we'll learn in the next video. For this video, we will end over here. I hope this video is useful. So let me know if this video is useful in the comment section. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe. Let's catch you next video. Until then, see you. Bye.